Imagine waking up tomorrow, opening your investing app, and realizing humans are no longer controlling the stock market. Not Wall Street traders, not hedge funds, not even governments, but AI, machines making millions of decisions every second, buying, selling, predicting, manipulating, at speeds no human brain can even understand. And the craziest part? This is not science fiction. It's already starting right now. AI systems already control huge parts of the financial market. But what happens when AI becomes smarter than every human trader alive? Could it create unlimited wealth, the perfect economy, or the biggest financial collapse in history? The stock market is already changing. Most people imagine the stock market as humans shouting inside giant buildings. But today, that world is disappearing. Modern markets are already dominated by algorithms. These AI systems analyze news instantly, predict price movements, execute trades in milliseconds faster than any human ever could. In fact, by the time a human reacts to breaking news, AI may have already made thousands of trades. The speed advantage. Here's the first major problem. AI operates at a speed humans cannot compete with. Imagine, a company releases earnings, AI reads the report, instantly understands the numbers, predicts market reaction, executes millions of dollars in trades all before a human even finishes reading the headline. This creates something dangerous. A market where humans slowly become irrelevant. The end of human traders in the future. Traditional traders may disappear completely. Because why would companies pay humans? When AI can predict faster, analyze better, work 24/7, never panic emotionally, AI doesn't. Get scared, become greedy, make emotional mistakes at least. Not intentionally. And that makes it extremely powerful. The perfect market theory. Some people believe AI could actually improve the financial system. Imagine an AI-controlled market where fraud is detected instantly, crashes are predicted, early investments become more efficient, human error disappears. In theory, AI could create the smartest financial system in history. A market optimized perfectly by intelligence. But there's a problem. Markets are not just numbers. They are human psychology, fear, greed, panic, excitement. And when AI begins influencing human emotions, things become unpredictable. The flash crash nightmare. This is where things get scary. Financial markets already experienced something called the flash crash. In minutes, markets suddenly collapsed, not because of humans, but because algorithms reacted to each other too quickly. Now imagine that same situation, but with superintelligent AI systems controlling trillions of dollars. One mistake, one bad prediction, one chain reaction, and entire economies could collapse faster than humans can respond. AI versus AI. Here's something even stranger. In the future, the stock market may no longer be humans versus humans. It may become AI versus AI. Different AI systems competing against each other, predicting behavior, manipulating trends, outsmarting rival algorithms at speeds impossible for humans to follow. The market could become so advanced that normal people no longer understand what's happening. The manipulation era now. Imagine an AI powerful enough to influence markets intentionally. It could spread information strategically, predict public reactions, trigger emotional buying and selling, because markets are driven by attention. And AI understands attention extremely well. A powerful AI system might know what headline causes fear, what news creates panic, what trend creates hype. At that point, AI wouldn't just predict the market. It could influence it. Who controls the AI? This becomes the biggest question. Because AI itself is not the real danger. The real danger is who controls it? Governments? Hedge funds? Tech companies? Billionaires? Because whoever controls advanced financial AI could potentially control global markets investment, flows economic power itself. That level of influence has never existed before in history. The rise of AI billionaires in the future. The biggest investors may not be humans anymore. They may be AI-powered systems managing trillions of dollars, millions of trades, entire portfolios automatically. This could create a new class of ultra-rich individuals. People who use AI leverage to dominate finance. One person with advanced AI could outperform entire investment firms. The problem with prediction the stock market works because humans are unpredictable. But what happens when AI predicts human behavior too accurately? Imagine a system that knows what people will buy, when they will panic, how markets will react at that point. The market may stop feeling natural. It becomes engineered, controlled, optimized, and that changes the entire meaning of financial freedom. The biggest risk is not AI becoming too smart. It's humans becoming too dependent on it. Imagine investors blindly following AI decisions. No understanding, no analysis, no thinking, just trust. But what happens if the AI is wrong, or manipulated, or hacked? One corrupted system could trigger global chaos. Could AI replace Wall Street? Honestly, maybe. Because the future financial system may look completely different. Instead of human traders, financial analysts, traditional brokers, we may see autonomous AI, hedge funds, AI-managed economies, fully automated investment systems, and humans mostly watching from the sidelines. Who wins in this future? Just like every technological revolution, there will be two groups. 1. Passive investors. They follow, blindly depend completely on systems, don't understand technology. 2. Intelligent adapters. They understand AI, learn financial systems, use technology strategically. The second group always wins. Because understanding systems creates power. The real truth: AI controlling the stock market could create massive efficiency, faster growth, smarter investing, but it could also create extreme inequality, manipulation, financial instability, because intelligence alone does not guarantee fairness. And markets are not just systems. They are reflections of human behavior. So what happens if AI controls the stock market? Maybe markets become smarter than ever before. Or maybe humans slowly lose control of the financial system itself. But one thing is certain: the future of money will not look like the past. Because the next financial revolution may not be driven by humans. It may be driven by machines. And the people who understand that early could have the biggest advantage of all.